I cannot believe that this day has finally happened. A dream that I didn't think would ever be reality.
Yo, I'm emotional for you, bro. Hey, Jade?
This is insane. I think it's all the admin. I think once we drive, then hopefully...
You got a freaking... It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, bro. Hey?
No, it's unreal, man.
My name is Jade, and this is not just a story about collecting a car. It's a story about hope, dreaming always, and enjoying life. Since as long as I can remember, I've been obsessed with cars. I am particularly obsessed with the car that I am finally buying today. 7 years ago, I made a video with my best friend test driving this car. The night before, we rewatched these videos, reminiscing, enjoying, laughing, and remembering what an insanely special day was coming tomorrow.
I could test drive sometime today around 12:30. Perfect, thank you so much for your time. Cool, bye.
Yeah! Holy moly. Jade, how do you feel, brother?
So good. I feel so bad driving this now.
The Clio, dude.
As I said, the story is about more than just collecting a car. Over the past few years, I've really struggled with my mental health. And I know this may sound cliche, but it's true. I feel that life is so challenging for all of us, between the pressures of the day-to-day to disappointments and hurts. It can be hard to find any hope. Cars have been a place of hope, joy, and fun to me always. A passion that distracts me and gives me some sort of purpose. Not that this is all that I live for, but this fuels me and allows me to give more to my wife, my friends, and my family. This day is one that I will cherish forever. One that reminds me to hope, to dream always, and to enjoy this life and the journey.
Yo, I'm emotional for you, bro. Hey, Jade?
This is insane. I think it's all the admin. I think once we drive, then hopefully...
You got a freaking Polo GTI, dude. It's gorgeous.
The moment is finally here. A dream since 12 years old. My Polo GTI. If you know me, you know how long I've been obsessed with these cars and that GTI badge. I'm still in disbelief. I cannot believe that this is actually mine, that my time to own this has come. It's time to enjoy it, embrace this moment, enjoy this life, and most importantly, launch control. one of them before. Yeah, it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Jade is a proud GTI owner.
I'm giving a pull, yeah.
Give a pull, give a pull. Yeah, boy!
What the heck? That's a light pull, man. I'm just touching. A light pull! What on earth?
Yo, it's quick. No, she moves. You put foot and she goes, Jade.
But yeah, the sound,
Yeah.
the ESG. I've made that sound since a kid.
So, everybody, how many years? 7 years ago, we test drove Jade's first Polo GTI, the one, well, it wasn't his, but we test drove it on this road.
No way. It's unreal. It's got such a good feeling.
And we were going over the bumps and we were darting between the bumps. And Jade is test driving it.
No way.
No, he's not test driving it. He's driving it now. Alright, Boychi's about to take it for a spin for the first time.
Just easy, Tiger. Easy, Tiger. He's keen. It's mad, eh?
And my foot wasn't even flat, bro. What on earth?
No, it's mad. Boy.
Oh. No, I'm proud of you, Jade,
Thank you, brother.
for letting me drive it.
What, of course.
Here we go, Lord.
Thank you so much for joining me on this journey and watching this video. It would mean the world to me if you liked it. As you can see, this is a moment that means the world to me. I'm grateful to have the footage. I'm grateful to have this video to look back on, to be proud of, and to enjoy for the rest of my life. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.